Hi, I'm Joe Vanaasveld. I'm the F&B Operations Director for Hurricane's Grill. Hurricane's Grill is a steakhouse concept that originates from Australia. The founding family brought the idea from South Africa across to Australia and opened some 20 years ago. It is a family steakhouse aimed very much at middle-of-the-road families. The unique USP for Hurricane's Grill, I think, is focused on the fact that we take a lot of care in the delivery of ribs and steaks in a way that probably most places don't. From the steak side, we have a aging program that we manage very carefully to ensure that beef is properly aged to produce a product that is soft and juicy. We source our beef from Australia and New Zealand, being able to offer both a grain and a grass-fed option. The ribs, again, we are very careful to source a specific rib, which is a back rib from New Zealand. The process of preparing it includes a 4-hour cooking process and then grilled on an open flame in our secret basting. The combination of the quality of the product together with the management of the product, I think, is what makes us very different and ensures that we get a consistent quality product at all times. Another important factor is that at Hurricane's Grill, we ensure that you get a full plate of food. We never offer small portions, no matter what it is, whether it's a dessert, a starter, or a main course. We ensure that it's a challenge for you to empty the plate, and that's the way we like it. The concept embraces value for money, quality of food, quantity of food. Everything about Hurricane's Grill is about comfort and about the real enjoyment of eating out in a relaxed and casual setting. We brought the concept from Australia to Dubai because we really felt there was a niche here to fill, which was a casual dining steakhouse that didn't hit the pocket. In regard to our menu, we took approximately 60 to 70% of the menu from Australia, and we added to it another 30% of local flavors and trends. This market in Dubai is very multicultural. It is extraordinarily diverse, and it was important that we could offer people food in a way that they expect, because there is here a certain expectation in quality and in flavor, and we ensure that we that way encompass everybody's tastes. So, added to the experience is that Hurricane's Grill is situated at the Dubai Mall in the new Fashion Avenue section, right in front of the world-famous fountains and the tallest building in the world, Burj Khalifa. And we would love to welcome you here. And don't forget to try our desserts. We are well known for taking desserts to a different level. I look forward to seeing you.